So once you open Cricut Design Space, you're going to drop down to cards. And in the search field, I typed in Christmas. And there's a lot of cards in there. If you're a Cricut Access member, or even if you're not, some are free, some are not. And I'm going to do the simple Christmas tree card. And this one is so easy, you guys, and it's so cute. So we're just going to go ahead and hit make it and use the 4 colors. I love that I get to use my Elmer's washable glue stick. And that's how easy it was, you guys. So just use the glue stick. You don't need a lot of glue. And it's just layering. It's just layering the cardstocks in order and gluing them. And then the envelope is just folding on the score line. So it's super easy, you guys. So I will let you continue watching. And as always, let me know what you think of this project. Okay? Enjoy watching.